Well, hello everybody. Thanks for chiming in here. We're gonna do a quick video tutorial. Shouts out to Screencast-O-Matic for creating a wonderful presentation for us today. Here's a quick tutorial on how to navigate our course, and we're gonna go over quick few things for future students, also current students as well. This should help you out a lot. These are some of my favorite ways to go about doing this course, and I'm sure you'll find them helpful as a quick resource for you to get started and have a good time and love learning about management. Okay, so here basically I start up my search engine, and that'll kind of, it's Google. That'll open up the whole World Wide Web for us. All right, let's go ahead and go to our Canvas homepage here, and if you haven't been here yet, you probably this could be your first class. You should have been here by now if you're enrolled in the class. Well, good luck if you haven't. You'll get to know Canvas pretty well. It's pretty easy, pretty easy interface to use here. So basically, we're gonna have all of our to-do actions here, or coming up projects and whatnot, and you're gonna have a little bit of feedback from your professors, and that'll help you a ton. And if you ever need to contact our instructor here, you're just gonna go ahead and go in that inbox, and you can start a message, or check out your groups and calendar dates and stuff. But you can have all that stuff for the most part for this class. This class is kind of special, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna open up this little box here so that we can get on over to our actual course homepage. And I like to leave this dashboard up in case I need to re-navigate back to anything I need to get to. But of course, you always have these sidebars here, and so yeah. So check this out. We got Management Essentials here. Pretty nice little front homepage we got here, and you can go over all this introductory kind of jazz there, and that'll help you understand what we're all about here, what we're doing with this class. All right, you can read your syllabus. That's going to be important. Get to know all these regulatory stuff, and yeah, so getting started, you can meet your professor, wonderful person, I might say. So I would really recommend that you get to know who we're working with here, and so we start right off. It's an accelerated course, remember, so we're gonna be pounding out a lot of work here. If you're with us a little farther along during the term, then we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna show you how we go about one of our modules here. They're all listed here. They're pretty simple navigation, but yeah. So forgetting our textbook, you can't see that I have it with me right now, or can you? Because I have a virtual textbook. Downloaded it as a PDF file, was able to get a good deal, and it is a wonderful resource for us to use. And here we got a little climbing up on this rock, one of my favorite hobbies here to do as well. And we'll let him keep on making that ascent. And we'll go right into motivation. Check that out. So that's what we're going over really quick here. Going back to our course, we're going to see that our resources are going to be to read chapter 13, all of that. And if you're like me and you're an overachiever, then you do. And that's how you get a good grade in this class. That's how you perform well and learn the essentials of management. And so basically, we got some motivation videos, and keep in mind these are not motivational videos. You will not be hearing any Rocky quotes or anything to get you pumped up for your next gym session, but you will learn a lot about the science behind motivation and different theories we can apply. One of my favorite here is A Puzzle of Motivation. Great video, gives us some good insight on understanding motivation and management. All right, great. So check, and I wanted to show you this. You can have both your coursework and your textbook here up at the same time, halved in the screen. You just grab up there, top of the taskbar, swing it on over to the left here. There you go, and there you have it. You got a great classroom right here in front of you on the mobile. Look at that. Okay, so now that we have gone over all of our videos and read our text, we're going to want to go into the quiz. Cue scary sounds for the video here. These quizzes are hard. You're going to need to study, and you're going to want to go over your material a lot before you take them. But for this quiz, this is an untimed quiz. So you can take as long as you want to explore your options for answers. And here we didn't do so great, but hey, we're doing okay in the class. We're hanging on there. We're hanging on the semester. So don't go ahead and don't copy any of those answers down. And we're gonna go here, and I'm gonna show you some of the key points of motivation that you need to go over before you take that quiz there. All right, so gonna want to learn the basics. Yeah, learn all about the formulas that we can use to assess how our performance and how well our workplace is doing accordingly. And we're going to need to know about our workers' needs. We got to meet their needs, and there are needs that need to be met on a legal level. It's important to keep our employees happy and try and emulate a stress-free workplace here. And so, huge. This is a question that'll pop up. I'm not going to answer or say any release any question information for you, but make sure you go over extrinsic and intrinsic rewards. It's huge. It'll most likely come up in our final, I'm assuming. So take a look at that. We've got a few other resources that'll give you a better idea if you're struggling in the course and you need some alternate methods of taking in this information. Equity theory, another important concept you're going to want to look over before your quiz so that you can understand the ideas behind under rewarding our employees and over rewarding them, and what happens as a result of this in the workplace. And the environment does change, so it's important for us to know these key turning points of the workplace. We want to create equal and preserve an equitable workplace. Yeah, and that's really all it comes down to. Remember, guys, you have a whole chapter to go over here with plenty of different theories and models that are gonna help you with the quiz. And that's basically how you're going to navigate the whole course. Your final will be at the end. And make sure to always be keeping up on your grades. If you have any questions, go ahead and go into your inbox and message your instructor. And have a blast, guys, and enjoy your class here. And best of luck to you. Go ahead and go get that A. Why don't you? Yeah.